Hello everyone, how's you? I hope you are doing well. So today our topic is business risk. Business risk means if there is a probable chance of occurring losses or inadequate profits. As we know that if we are indulged in any business, then the chances of losses and profits can be there. So whatever we thought, if we invest 10,000 in any of the project and we get return nothing from that project, then we can say that is called a loss. It is an example. What is the meaning of inadequate profit? If I invest 10,000 in any of the project and I thought I would get 10% return from this, but after the month what I found that I got only 5%. That is known as inadequate profits. So business risk means there can be a probable chance of occurring losses. The loss can occur or not, or inadequate profits. The profits can be up to our accuracy or it should not be. So business risk means probable chance of occurring losses and inadequate profits. Next is nature of business risk. Nature, feature, characteristic. If we are talking about anything, then I told you in my previous video, first of all we have to go back. That is, first of all we have to recall what is business risk means. So what is business risk? Probable chance of occurring losses or inadequate profit in your business. Clear? So on the basis of the definition, we just give the nature, characteristic of or feature of anything. So the first characteristic is it arises due to uncertainty. Business risk arises due to uncertainty. As business environment is all dynamic, it keeps on changing day by day. The demand and preferences of the customer can change. Then definitely it will affect your business. Second thing, if flood, earthquake or cyclone will come, then definitely it will affect your business. So we can say that business environment is all dynamic, it keeps on changing. So business environment is very uncertain. We cannot predict the future. Clear? Second one is business risk is essential part of every business. Business risk is very essential for every business. If you are indulged in any business, then definitely you will have to face the risk in any manner. I told you risk can be in the form of economic loss. The risk can be in the form of if your workers go on a strike and all, then the risk can arise in front of you. If the demand of the customers, the taste and preferences of the customer will change, then definitely you will have to face the challenges. Definitely you will have to face the business risk. So you cannot avoid the business risk. Clear? If you are indulged in any business, then you will have to take the risk, as it is an essential part of every business. Third one is degree of risk depend upon nature and size of the organization. How much the risk will be there in your organization, it depends upon the size and nature of your business. If your business if you are working on large scale, then the risk can be high, and if you are working on small scale, then the risk can be low. And sometimes it depends upon the nature of the business also. Because of some you should understand that degree of risk depend upon totally nature and size of the business. Nature here means if the business is manufacturing business, then I should say that more business risk is associated with manufacturing business in comparison to trading business, because in trading business we purchase the goods and services generally in a small quantity. So if the taste and preferences or the demand will change, then we are not supposed to face a very big risk. Clear? So most of the degree of risk depend upon the nature and size of the business. Third one is profit is reward for bearing risk. I told you in my previous video that risk and profit is directly related to each other. means higher the risk, higher will be the profit, lower the risk, lower will be the profit. So we can say that how much amount you are taking the risk in the business, you will get the profit in that quantity. Clear? So we can say that you will get the reward for bearing risk in the form of profit. Now there are certain types of business risk. There are generally 4 types of business risk, that are speculative risk, pure risk, insurable risk and non-insurable risk. First one is speculative risk. In speculative risk, there is equal chances of occurring profits and losses in the business. You can find, means whatever the changes will take place, it can be in the form of profit for the organization, or it can be in the form of loss for the organization. So the chances of profit and loss will be both in speculative risk. For example, if the price fluctuation will take place, if the price will be high, then we can say that it will turn in the form of profit and it will be good for the organization. And if the price will fall, then definitely it will result, the consequences of this is loss. Clear? So we can say that whatever the changes will take place, it can be in the form of profit or it can be in the form of loss. This is known as speculative risk, means the chances of profit and loss are equal. Next is pure risk. In pure risk, there is no chance of earning profit. You will have to incur the loss only. Clear? Whatever you invest in your business, definitely the consequences will be in the form of loss only. No chances of profit will be there. For example, if you have established the new business and suddenly earthquake will come or flood, cyclones will come, then the chances of profit, there will be the chance of loss only, not profit, I should say. Clear? Next one is insurable risk. Insurable risk means the risk, or we can say that the risk which is covered by the insurance company. For example, if your goods and services, or if your go down, or if any mishappening will occur with your occur with your goods and services, with your business, then that risk will be compensated by the insurance company. Because what is the work of insurance company? If any mishappening of an event occur and if you are paying the premium, then definitely they will provide you the compensation at the time of risk. So if your good will burnt by fire, accident, or it will be theft, then the risk will be covered by the insurance company. These type of risk are known as insurable risk. Non-insurable risk are those risks which cannot be covered by the insurance company. Clear? Like change in demand. The demand of the customers or the preferences of the customers can change. It is out of the control of the human being's limit, so we cannot control them. So these type of risk are non-insurable risk. We cannot get the insurance from the insurance company for such type of changes. Second one is, if workers go on strikes and all, then definitely it will affect the production or productivity. If the workers will go on a strike, they are not supposed to produce anything in your organization, and what will happen? You will have to face the loss, and this loss will not be compensated by the insurance company. So this type of risk is known as non-insurable risk, right? So there are 4 types of risk, that is speculative risk, pure risk, insurable risk and non-insurable risk.